Hello Math Wizards! For this episode, ang gagawin naman natin is solving quadratic equations by factoring. We will be having 2 episodes for this lesson. So ngayon, kung mapapansin ninyo, yung mga given equations natin, lahat ng value ng a or yung value, yung coefficient ng x squared or ng quadratic term, lahat yon ngayon ay equal sa 1. Okay? So, para sa recall din natin, you should recall how to factor quadratic trinomial. Okay? Yung grade 8 math natin. So, let's start with number 1. Okay. So, we need to rewrite first the given equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. As a recall, mapapansin ninyo, yung x dyan pwedeng maging ibang number ng alphabet at yung ABC ay numbers. Okay? So, yung susulat muna natin yung una. So, x squared minus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. Okay? Recall natin yung grade 8 math natin, factoring quadratic trinomial, factor mo yung 35, negative 35, na ang sum niya ay magiging negative 2. Okay. So, in this case, negative in 35, ibig sabihin, isa sa factors ay negative. At negative din to, ibig sabihin, yung mas malaking number ang mag-hold ng negative sign. Okay. So, ano ngayon yung mga numbers na factors ng 35? 5 and 7. Ano pa? Pwede rin 35 at saka 1. In this case, alin yung may sum na negative 2? Add mo sila. Pero yung isang number negative, since negative ito, dapat yung mas malaking number ang negative. Okay? Add natin. Negative 2, 5 and negative 7, negative 2. 35 at saka negative 35 at saka 1, pag pinag-add mo, negative 34. So, ano ngayon ang magiging sagot? Ang factors mo ay 5, negative 7. So, magiging, ano na siya? X plus 5, x minus 7 is equal to 0. Solve for x, rather. So, magiging x plus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 7 is equal to 0. That is zero product property. X is equal to negative 5, x is equal to 7. So, check for x equals negative 5. Substitute natin yung negative 5. Negative 5 squared minus 2x is equal to 35. Yung x ay negative 5. So, ito ay negative, so 25, negative 5 squared is 25 minus negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10 is equal to 35. 25 plus 10 is 35 equals 35. Therefore, x equals negative 5 is one of the solution. Try naman natin yung 7. For x equals 7. X squared minus 2x equals 35. 7 squared minus 2 times 7 is equal to 35. So, magiging 49 minus 14 is equal to 35. 35 is equal to 35. Therefore, it will satisfy. Ang ating solution set will be x is negative 5, x is 7. Okay. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, pag nag-solve tayo ng equation, yung mga magiging sagot, laging chine-check. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Para ma-check natin kung magsasatisfy siya dun sa equation. Kasi kung hindi, hindi siya yung sagot. Hindi siya yung sagot dun sa equation. Number 2. Okay. Ang mapapansin ninyo, yung a dito, ginamit siya as variable. Okay? So, hindi siya yung katulad nung a dito sa unang, sa form ng quadratic equation, ng a ay ginamit as a representation ng coefficient ng quadratic term. So, let's write ax squared, a squared minus 24a plus 144 is equal to 0. Factor natin yung quadratic trinomial. So, magiging 144. Factor mo yung 144 na ang sum ay magiging negative 24. Ano yun? So, ibig sabihin, kung positive ito, yung dalawang factor ay pareho ng sign. So, pareho siyang negative. So, let's try 12 and 12. So, kung parehong negative, negative 24. So, pasok agad siya. A squared minus 24, a minus 12 times a minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, equate natin sa 0. A minus 12 equals 0. A minus 12 equals 0. So, magiging A is equal to 12. A is equal to 12. Ibig sabihin, ang sagot sa A ay dalawang parehong 12. Okay? So, pwede rin naman na ito ay maging square of a binomial. Pwede rin siyang A minus 12 squared is equal to 0. Extract by square roots, katulad ng previous lesson, magiging A minus 12 is equal to 0. A is equal to 12. Kaya lang, since ang degree ng equation mo ay 2, ibig sabihin, ang solution set mo, dapat may laman na solutions na dalawa. Therefore, check muna natin. For A is equal to 12. So, A squared minus 24A is equal to negative 144. Solve natin, 12 squared minus 24 times 12 is equal to negative 144. So, 144 minus 24 times 12 is what? 200, ano na siya? 288 is equal to negative 144. Okay, so magiging sagot is negative 144 is equal to negative 144. Therefore, ang magiging sagot natin ay A is equal to 12. Sa ibang books, ganyan lang yung nilalagay. Pero, pwede rin naman na para mapakita natin na merong dalawang 12 sa loob ng set. Kasi hindi pwede na hindi pwede na parehong 12 ang ilagay mo doon. Kasi sa set notation, hindi pwede na nauulit ang element pag sinulat. So, dapat ilagay siya as pwede rin 12 of multiplicity 2. Ano ibig sabihin ng 12 of multiplicity 2? There is an existing na dalawang 12 sa loob ng solution set. Okay. Continue tayo, number 3. Yung number 3, ginamit naman C as your variable. At ngayon, yung variable na yan, at ngayon, isasolve natin siya. So, C, factor natin yung negative 15 na ang sum niya ay negative 2. Ngayon, negative yung 15. Ibig sabihin, yung dalawang product, may isang negative at may isang positive. Since, yung ating sum ay negative, nangangahulugan lamang na yung sign ng mas malaking factor ng 15, yun ang negative. So, in this case, pwede siyang 5 at saka 3. Pag pinag-add mo ang 5 at negative 5 at 3, negative 2 ang lalabas. So, yun na siya. C minus 5, C plus 3 is equal to 0. Equate natin sa 0, 0 product property, C minus 5 is equal to 0, C plus 3 is equal to 0. C is equal to 5, and C is equal to negative 3. Check natin. Check for x equals 5, C equals 5. So, C squared minus 2C minus 15 is equal to 0. 5 squared minus 2 times 5 minus 15 is equal to 0. 25 minus 10 minus 15 is equal to 0. 0 equals 0. Kasi 25 minus 10, negative 10, tsaka negative 15, negative 25. So, 0 na siya. Try natin yung c equals negative 3. So, magiging c squared minus 2c minus 15 is equal to 0. So, negative 3 squared minus 2 times negative 3 minus 15 is equal to 0. 9 minus plus 6 minus 15 is equal to 0. So 0 equals 0. 15 minus 15 is 0. Therefore, ang ating solution set will be 5 and negative 3. Number 4. It is already in general form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So ngayon, factor mo yung 12 na ang sum ay negative 7. Ibig sabihin, kung positive yung 12, dalawang factors na ang sum ay na ang product ay positive. Ibig sabihin, pareho sila ng sign at ang sum nila ay negative, parehong negative. So, pwedeng 4 at saka 3, parehong negative. Ibig sabihin, ang sum niya ay negative 7. Yun ang factors. P minus 4, P minus 3. Okay, is equal to 0. Okay? So, let's solve. P minus 4 is equal to 0. P minus 3 is equal to 0. So, P is equal to 4. P is equal to 3. Okay? So, ngayon, gagawin na natin, check for for P equals to 4. So, P squared minus 7P plus 12 is equal to 0. Magiging 4 squared minus 7 times 4 plus 12 is equal to 0. 16 minus 28 plus 12 is equal to 0. So, 28 minus 28 is equal to 0. 0 equals 0. For P is equal to 3. So, magiging 3 squared minus 7 times 3 plus 12 is equal to 0. 9 minus 21 plus 12 is equal to 0. So, negative 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. 0 equals 0. Our solution set will be 4 and 3. Okay. Pag tinignan nyo yung mga sagot natin dito at saka ito. Yan. Gusto ko i-compare ninyo yun dun sa dalawang factor kanina. Ito yung dalawang factor. Ito at saka ito. Ano mapapansin ninyo sa sagot? Yung factors nung negative 35 na ang sum ay negative 2 ay 5 at negative 7. At ang solution set natin ay negative 5 at positive 7. It means that pag pinalitan mo lang yung sign niya, yun na yung solution set. Okay? Katulad nito. Negative 5 at saka 3. Pag kinuha mo yung factors niyan, ay pagka kinuha mo yung, binaliktad mo yung sign, yun na yung magiging solution set. The same here. So, try natin dun sa q squared plus 6q equals to negative 5. Okay, dito sa last item, gamitin natin yung shortcut. So, sulat na muna natin siya. Q squared plus 6q plus 5 is equal to 0. Factor natin yung 5 na ang sum niya ay magiging 6. So, 5 and 1. 5 and 1. Since siya ay positive, palitan mo yung sign. Ang magiging solution set ay negative 5, negative 1. Yun na agad yun. Check natin para maniwala kayo. For Q is equal to 5. Negative 5. So, Q squared plus 6Q is equal to negative 5. Pasok natin. I0. O tama, negative 5. Ito. So, negative 5 squared plus 6 times negative 5 is equal to negative 5. So, magiging 25 plus negative 30 is equal to negative 5. Negative 25 plus negative 30 is negative 5 equal to negative 5. Therefore, negative 5 satisfies the equation. How about Q is equal to negative 1? Q squared plus 6Q is equal to negative 5. So, negative 1 squared plus 6 times negative 1 is equal to 5, negative 5. Di magiging 1 plus, minus 6. Minus 6 is equal to negative 5. So, therefore, negative 5 is equal to negative 5. So, yung sagot natin sa shortcut satisfies the equation. Therefore, this is already your answer. Negative 5 and negative 5. Okay? So, for now, this is your practice exercises. Sagutan ninyo, and then later, I will give the video, later, panoorin niyo yung video ng solution natin for this practice exercises. Like, share, and comment your suggestions on the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe. To get notified with our latest videos, just click the notification bell.